Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to upload a story on Instagram from PC in just a few simple steps. First, open your Chrome browser on your PC or laptop. Next, type instagram.com in the search bar. Log into your Instagram account. Once you here, press F12 on your keyboard, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to open the developer toolbar. If you don't want to press these keys, there is a third option. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect to open the developer toolbar. Click on the Toggle Device toolbar, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus M. Reload the page once, refresh. Now, in the top left corner, you will see the option to add a story. Click on it to upload your story. Alternatively, you can click on the plus icon in the top right corner and then select Story. Choose the story you want to upload. If you want, you can also add some text to your story. Finally, click on Add to Story. Your story will be uploaded successfully. Now, I will play the story to show you. You can see it here. And that's it. How to upload a story on Instagram from PC. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.